Then, okay students, back to the video. So the last lecture of the important detailed information of apiculture or beekeeping, like the last concept of like important of pin, worker and drone, and this is also called bee colony and fertile female, haploid male and sterile female. So next one is important economical important of honeybees. So I will write on the board students economical important of economically important. So this is actually we are going to thoroughly depth and deep level of the information of apiculture, because every year they ask one or two question in this topic. So economical important of honey bees. Okay, so first of all, what is the first economical important of what's the advantage of honeys? So students, honey is the rich source of glucose, fructose, minerals, water, proteins and etc. Okay, so I repeat, the actually honey is the rich high source of glucose, fructose, mineral, water, vitamins. So I write on the board, honey is rich source of vitamins, glucose, fructose, water and also minerals. This is the rich source of honey is the first economically important. And what the second one? Second one students, actually wax. You know very well wax is an important production in industry. So wax is used in the preparation of cosmetics, polishes and also candles. So what is this? Cosmetics, candles and polishes. Actually this is the cosmetic industry widely used in men and women. So I write on the board students, wax is used in the production of or preparation of cosmetics, candles and also polishes So what is cosmetic? So actually cosmetic word mostly related in our female being, so mostly used like face powder, face creams, lipstick. This is also called cosmetic product. And what is candles? So you know very well candle production main important in our life. So candle also preparation prepared by wax production. And polishes, so shoe polishes, sandal polishes, this all material by our wax production uses. So this is the second economical important of honeybees or apiculture. Now third one students, honey venom. Actually this is the main point you keep in your mind students. Honey venom actually used in the treatment of arthritis, rheumatoid or joint diseases. So I write on the board students, honey venom used in the treatment of arthritis or rheumatoid diseases. Means the person who suffering knee pain, joint pains and shoulder pains, this type of a joint pain is also termed in rheumatoid diseases, especially after 50 or 60 old age persons. So that time the bee venom or the honey venom actually used in the preparation of this rheumatoid or diseases. Now the fourth important economical important of honey bees students, propolis. Propolis actually another important product from honey bees. Propolis actually used in the burning sensation. burning sensation. So the person who suddenly fire accident or fire burning the body part of human, so that time use propolis actually to rubbing the place where burning of the pot. So that time is also the feeling of very cool or very peace of the paining of the sensation part. This is the four important economical important of apiculture. So I will repeat students. Economically important means honey is rich source of vitamins, glucose, fructose, water and also minerals. Wax also used in the preparation of cosmetics, candles and polishes. Honey venom or bee venom also used in the treatment of arthritis or rheumatoid diseases. Propyl is also used in the burning sensation of the human parts. This is the students apiculture or beekeeping economically important third level. So what is repeat again? Apiculture is the maintenance of hives, means a place where bee leaves of honeybees for the production of honey and wax. What next? Next is the important. It is actual called age-old cottage industry. And last level, second level students actually suitable requirement areas, and third level students important of for available species in India, that is Apis serena, Apis mellifera, Apis florea, Apis dorsata, and what next level students important of bee colony, queen, drone and also worker. So what next fifth level students economically important. So what is the main advantage of honeys and wax also? The different various kind of the industries, hospitals, medicines and also our daily activities of the life. So this is the students economically important of honeys. Okay. So what next? Next one students. So mostly the apiculture topic completed students, but discuss within 2 minutes what is the main general information of apiculture or nothing but honeybees information. So discuss about student first of all. There are actually in India students only 4 available species to successful production of honeys and wax. But the worldwide there are 20,000 different species available. This is the main important general point of honeybees, nothing but the bee colony. There are 20,000. So students listen carefully. 20,000 different type of bees in available our worldwide. Okay. Now second one students actually honeybees actually perform waggler dance or bee dance is also called students bee dance. So what's the main meaning of this wagging dance or bee dance? Actually students, one of the main scientific fact, honeybees perform wagging dance or the bee dance. The means they communicate each and every opposite of the bees to communicate of the language. This is also called students bee dance or wagging dance. They communicate each other. So what is like the honey is available or the suitable area or suitable climate condition, this kind of information they communicate like wagging dance or the bee dance. This is the main important to general point in detailed information of apiculture, nothing but the bee informations. Now third one students actually actually bees also suffering one type of important affecting disease. The disease name is students. So bees also suffering Nausema disease. What is it? Nausema disease. So actually this comes from protozoan category to affecting the bee insect. So I repeat students, bee suffering Nausema disease from protozoan category problem, and it is also the weakening of body and the low production of honeys and also the wax. This is the students third one important point of apiculture. Now the fourth important point of apiculture students, actually bees perform also the main communicate language of the, actually just I told you students, the bee dance or wagging dance, but also the bees perform to movement of the activities. So we also perform movement of the activities, movement of activities. Okay, so this is the main all general information of the last sixth level of the detailed information of apiculture or beekeeping student. So this is the main point of detailed information today. Discuss strategies for enhancement in food production, the main important apiculture or beekeeping industry, the main important. So I hope you this video is main helping you the cracking the point of. Okay, thank you.